Good morning, student of class 4. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class student. Today date is 13 October 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 12, Air, Water and Weather. So let's do little recapitulation what we are doing in the previous video. So student, in the previous video uh, we are doing question number E, that give a short answer. First question we have already completed. Now we will start with question number 2. What is a water cycle? What is a water cycle? Okay, so the cycle of evaporation, condensation and precipitation in nature, that is known as water cycle. If this because this question is asked in a short answer question, so we will just write the cycle of evaporation, condensation and precipitation in nature is known as a water cycle. But if this question will come in the exam, explain water cycle, then we have to write the full detail answer. Due to the heat of the sun, the water evaporate, then the warm air rises up. When it come with the touch with the cold air, then the water vapor, what take place there, condensation of water vapor take place, and again the water vapor change in the form of a water, and these small drops of water join to form a clouds. Okay, and when near the clouds the air is cool, then what happen, the vapor change in the form of a water, and when these rain drops become very heavy, then it comes from the clouds in the form of a rain, and this cycle of water cycle is a continuous. Okay, so we have to explain in detail, and even we have to draw a diagram in this also, but here it is asked in the short question answer, so we can write it directly. The cycle of evaporation, the cycle of evaporation, condensation, and the cycle of evaporation, condensation and precipitation. Precipitation in nature is called it water cycle. So cycle of evaporation, okay, the cycle of evaporation, condensation and precipitation in nature is called it water cycle. Okay, now we have complete one more question is left. How does weather affect our life? Question 1 is how does how does how does weather how does weather affect our life? So in different season student we wear different types of clothes. Okay, especially in cotton we wear especially in summer season we wear cotton clothes, and the clothes uh, and in winter we wear woolen clothes. So due to different season we wear different types of clothes, and the food we eat that also depends upon the weather. Okay, weather weather affect weather affect our life in many ways. Many ways. Okay, so first point is clothes we wear. Second is food we eat. Okay, so after completing this student, let us start with the long question answer of the chapter. You can take a screenshot. Question F. Give detailed answer. Okay, question 1. What is the difference between what is the difference between what is the difference between dew and frost? So let first of all discuss answer. What is the condition of dew? See, especially in the winter season, ठीक है, especially better in the winter season at the night time, you will the weather is very cold. Okay, and due to this, all the things which are present in the surrounding they become cool. And when the warm air, as we know that the water vapor are present in the air. So when this water vapor touches the cool surface, then the which process take place? Condensation, and the water vapor change in the form of a dew. So in the morning time, especially in winter, we see drops of water on the leaves, window glass, and everywhere in the open surroundings you see that dew. Okay, and especially you will observe this thing at the time of a winter season. Okay, now another term, another difference that is given, the frost. Frost also, this condition of the weather is also take place in the winter. Okay, especially in the mountains area, you can say when the nights are very chilled. Okay, the climate is very cold, the nights are very chilled. So the drops of water which we say dew, this dew freeze, and this is known as frost. And it is very harmful for the crops, it damage all the crops. ठीक है, crops के लिए बहुत harmful होता है. ठीक, so that is the difference between a dew and frost. So dew dew is a liquid moisture dew is a liquid moisture on the ground. Okay, this is the first point. It is seen. It is seen in the morning. Okay, it is seen in the morning. Now note down frost. Frost is formed when the temperature is below freezing. It is found at night. Third point, it can be very harmful. It can be very harmful for the crops. Okay, student, you can take a screenshot of this. Dew is a liquid moisture on the ground. It is seen in the morning. And frost is what? Frost is found when the temperature is below freezing. It is found at night, or it can be very harmful for the crops. So let's start with the next question. Take a screenshot. Next question is, write the difference between land bridge and sea bridge. Question 2, write the difference between land bridge and sea bridge. So first of all, I discuss this answer with you. See, sea bridge, you will see bridge in the morning time. Okay, as we know that when the light of the sun falls on water and land, so there is difference in the temperature of land and water. Due to light of the sun, the land warm very fast, but water take time to warm. So in the morning time, when the sunlight falls on the surface of the land, it become very warm. So the vapor present in the air, so due to this, the hot air rises up, and that is the reason the air above the land, that is very warm. Okay, so it rises up. Now what's happened, the air above the sea, that is cool, because water take more time to warm. So this cool air take the place of this warm air. So that is the reason sea breeze blow at the time of morning when we see sun. So sea breeze blow from sea to the land, and it blow during the morning time. Okay, on the other hand, when it is night, sun is not at that time, what is present, moon. So in the night, what happen, land warm faster, so it cool rapidly, very fast. So the air above the land become cool, and what happen, the air above the sea, that is warm, because water take more time to warm, so it will take more time to cool also. So this warm air rises up, and the place of this warm air is taken by the cool air. So land breeze blow from land to the sea in the night. Okay, note down the answer. Sea breeze, wind blowing from the sea, from the sea to the land. The land is called it a sea bridge. Okay. Another point is it blow during day time. Next, land bridge. Wind blowing from the wind blowing from the land, from the land to the sea is called it land bridge. It blow during night. So this is the complete answer. Okay. Sea bridge, wind blowing from the sea to the land is called sea bridge, and it blow during the daytime. Next is the land bridge, when wind blowing from the land to the sea is called land bridge, and it blow during night. So student, this is the difference between a land bridge and a sea bridge. Okay, so now next question is, write the difference between evaporation and condensation. So let us discuss the answer. After that we will note down in the class work copy. Evaporation is a process in which water changes into vapor. And how this is possible? This is possible on heating. Okay, that is known as evaporation. And condensation is the process in water change into water vapor, in which water vapor change into water. And this is on cooling, and this is known as condensation. Thank you, student.